If I get money, I spend everything on you. Kill a day, baby, you too fine now. See how that you wine now, give me that time, baby, you too fine now. I go buy you gold and I go buy you diamond. For that color, my day, you the way that she wine, she one of a kind. You go to love my day, you she make it rewind. Oh, hey. No, hey. Tan 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 tan. I do the beat, I give the beat.
Hi everyone, welcome back to neknatural. How are you doing today? I believe everyone is doing good. In this video, I'm going to show you how I was able to slick down my 4C natural hair. It has been a challenge for people that have this kind of hair to slick it down. I hope you find this video helpful. Please, if you do, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell button beside it so that you always get my upload whenever I upload. So let's go into the tutorial to see what I did. I've already put in my Shea Moisture Jamaica Black Castor Oil Leave-In Conditioner. Sorry, I didn't show that on camera. Then I will follow it up with my Cream of Nature oil and argan oil with water. I mix it to get my spray that I will be spraying on it to wet my hair before I apply the gel. Then I'll go ahead to part my hair. You part it anywhere you want your parting to be. I want my own to be by the side. Here is where the work is and where the magic happens. You have to start by parting your hair section by section. Then I apply my mixture of leave-in conditioner and water. Then I comb. Then I apply the gel. Apply the gel and you brush it with your brush. Then you put it in a ponytail and you move on to the next section. That is what you're going to do all over the hair, so that your hair will lay down very well, will slick down very well, because our type of hair, you must work on it for it to slick down, believe me. And when you move on to the next section, as you brush it after applying the gel, you add it to the former ponytail that you made. That is what you're going to be doing to cover your hair in gel and in one ponytail.
This is for my babies, for my babies, for my babies, for my babies. My beautiful baby. Stressed out, you couldn't even leave the house. All of this pressure you put on yourself. I think you're beautiful, I don't want nobody else. And even if you let your hair go wild and you take a break from your favorite stilettos, you're naturally my favorite girl, hands down. And that's how it's gonna be, you and me, so no now. favorite stilettos. You're naturally my favorite girl. You're naturally my favorite. That's how it's gonna be. You and me, so no lie. And even if you let your hair go wild and your feet take a break from your favorite stilettos, you're naturally my favorite girl, hands down. And that's how it's gonna be. You and me, so no lie. To put on makeup every day, and I love your natural hair that way. Beauty in the world is your smiling. 'Cause baby, I love your it's natural. You don't have to put on red high heels. You look good when you don't even try.
Yeah, after applying the gel and brushing my hair very well, so I position my hair where I want the ponytail to be, then I secure it with a hairband.
Take a break from your favorite stilettos. You're naturally my favorite girl, hands down. And that's how it's gonna be. You and me.
I also apply this to go to the bleach styling gel to make sure there is no flyaways. It helps to lay the hair very well so that there won't be flyaways.
Is your smiling face? 'Cause baby, I love it's natural. You don't have to put on red high heels. You look good when you don't even try. For real, perfect as you are. You don't have to change. 'Cause baby, I love it's natural.
Then I tie my hair with a satin scarf to help lay it down while it is drying. You can wait for it to dry for about 3 to 4 hours, or you can use a hood dryer like I did to help dry it more quicker, because I couldn't wait for it to dry for that 3 hours. After my hair is dried, I went on to attach this Afro ponytail drawstring that I bought from AliExpress. You can also get it in Amazon or any beauty supply shop around you. And this one has comb, so it's easy for you to attach it to your hair so that it doesn't fall out. It's easy to attach. Then you draw the string, because it's a drawstring ponytail. You draw it to secure it better. Then you tie the rope around the ponytail and hide whatever that is remaining inside the ponytail, and you're good to go.
Yeah, loving you. Oh my fine baby, give you everything. I'll take you down to Malawi, I'll take you to Paris. Oh my fine baby, be my African queen, be my African queen. I will be your true baba. I'm loving you every day. I'm loving you every day. I'm loving you every day. I will be your true baba. I'm loving you every day. I'm loving you every day. I'm loving you every day. I will be your true baba.
She's the best, no, best is yes.
See, I don't go do you bad things. Say me, I don't go use the throw it. Nah. Let me take you around town, we rolling in my new Mercedes. Oh baby, me and you go be 5 and 6, what's your any cage? Oh baby, may they talk anything where they want to, cause it's good. You don't know, please, I won't follow you talk good. Show my baby need go long. It's like I'm falling in love. Them by yourself, I'm calling your phone, pick up. Not only you, I feel love.